parade around in Halloween costumes.
You're right, Genki. Underground are everywhere.
You might say they're overground?
Keep working on that one. Barrier's electrified. Ow! And not friendly.
Your suit says that was 300 kilojoules. How is that just ow?
Benefits of bioelectricity, I guess. Power can be supplied all locally.
Any sign of the power source?
Several. Bet these cables lead the way.
Electrified barrier is next level. Maybe they got nervous after someone infiltrated Fisk Tower.
Who do that?
People are gonna fear us. Did you really blow up a club last night?
I like your new place. Is there a phantom anywhere? I gotta drain that generator. All right, drained it. Feeling good. Now for the others.
Heard you found an old Mafia support.
Yeah! Try and dodge this! It's invisible!
Cool, chipping away.
what it was like before Tinkerer showed up.
I knew I could do it.
People respect us now. Now we got Spider-Man and Roxxon.
You're scared. Is Spider-Man or Roxxon?
Both. Plenty of people almost wiped us out before we went this public. That was before. All that matters is now.
All that matters is now. Quoting the Tinkerer?
What the? Who's there?
Make him pay for that! You told him we were here!
Get it back down!
No more underground. Soon to be no more generators.
That did it. Barrier's fresh out of power.
And primed for smashing.
That was the way to the main auditorium. Now it's locked.
Oops. Maybe there's a staircase. Or an elevator. Like that elevator. If I can...
Hey man, I'm thinking. What if you told Finn you're Spider-Man?
Yo, Finn. Not only did I lie about joining your club, but I'm also the guy trying to stop you.
Okay, yeah. We can work on the delivery.
Giant armored silo looks promising.
Really feeling like my gaming rig is underpowered right now.
Yeah. Finn's going full supervillain layer here. Are you seeing this giant armored container thing?
Totally not suspicious. You think the new form's in there?
I got a hunch, yeah. Container's got cables running away from it. No wonder. Looks like Finn's making a new mask? Shield? As soon as I find a way around the underground's weapons, she comes up with something new. Can't make a direct connection. Might be able to use that relay node to run a daisy chain. That's one. Need to power the others. So why do you think I should tell Finn I'm Spider-Man? Don't you think she might react badly?
Let's make a pros and cons list. Pro. She's your best friend. Besides me.
Con, she's a tinkerer.
Pro. Talking to her is easier than sneaking around behind her back.
Con, the other Spider-Man was super clear. Don't tell anyone who you are.
You told me. Maybe if she knows it's you she's fighting, she'll rethink the whole Tinkerer thing.
Maybe you're right. Rick's invention. Krieger doesn't understand Nuform well enough to make more, but Finn does. She mapped out how its reactivity works. All right, that's two. Hope this is a good idea.
What's the worst that could happen?
Says the guy 30 blocks away. There's a generator back here, but these backdrops are in the way.
Don't theaters usually have pulleys or something to move those?
Let's see. Nice. Clear line of sight to the generator. Finn's feeding Roxxon bad intel so they don't get close to her or the new foreman. She's good. 3 down. 1 to go. Finn's working on stabilizing the new form gradually, making it reactive but not explosive on contact. Why? So she can keep moving it? Finn's been making new weapons to deal with me. Guess she told the rest of the underground to keep tabs. That sounds promising. Gotta check the supercomputer. All right, what are you up to, Finn? Finn's pumping energy into the new form, making it unstable like my venom did.
Which exploded the bridge. So, what? Does she want to blow up the theater?
Not the theater. Roxxon Plaza.
Whoa, what? That's... how could she...
It's not open yet, so there'll be no casualties. But I can't let her do this. I'm taking the new form. Come on.
Spread out. He's here somewhere.
I need to get the new form. After I deal with her glow stick army.
Just to put it out there, what if Finn's right, and this is the best way to beat Roxxon?
Finn's not just talking about throwing a rock through a window. She wants to blow up a building on my block.
We'll know where we are now. About time.
If any part of her plan goes wrong, people will get hurt. I can't let her take that chance.
You're right. Let's get that new form out of here.
Wish it was always this easy. Huh. Easier than I thought.
We're gonna show this city how we get.
You heard Beth got sick after being on the bridge?
We all know that. New form gets in your lungs, you're dead.
And it doesn't bother you that Tinker's forcing us to hang around it?
You want to punk out, that's on you. I'm not running from a can. Spare Rob.
Another one bites the dust.
Lori, come in. Damn it. Someone check our position.
Hey! We've got a problem! We've got someone down!
Gotta be quicker than that.
Freezing.
Jenny, what's going on? Something's wrong.
Okay, I'm on it.
New York's finally getting to see our new toys.
No one's here. Search the perimeter.
If you give me the new form, we can skip this part.
Don't let him near the new form!
Handle this the old-fashioned way! I'm only getting started!
Even Spider-Man's not ready for this.
Venom tears it apart.
Good! Keep doing that!
Don't let him shock you!
Okay, now for the new form. Okay, see? No!
Can't let you take that.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Seriously?
I just want to talk! Fitz! Tinkerer! Stop!
So you can steal my new form? Not a chance in hell!
Hey, Genki! Ran into Finn!
What's happening?
She grabbed the new form! I'm chasing her across Manhattan!
Oh, crap. Okay. How are you gonna stop her?
Step 1, catch her. Step 2, I'll get back to you. Oh, move.
Back off! This is between me and Roxxon!
How about we use our words? How about you stop being so clingy? Or is she not tired yet? It is not going well.
Where are you?
I don't know. I'm dodging explosions. I need a new strategy. Gonna do what you said.
Tell her the truth?
Yeah, as soon as I catch her. Tinkerer, I gotta tell you something. Slow down.
Do you think I'm stupid?
You wanna hear this. I promise.
Step off, Spider-Man!
Oh crap! Not good, not good! Hope the ship's okay?
I said step off!
Whoa! Why did she invent step wheels?
Give me one good reason not to end you.
My mom would be very upset.
Miles?
Can we just...
You two on the roof! Freeze!
That could have gone better. I think she cracked a rib. Or 3.